Hey guys, today let me show you this chest freezer from Heyi cold chain. It features a built-in hidden handle, sleek look, super durable. Runs with a high-quality compressor from brands with cooling coils on 5 sides. It chills faster and gets even colder. The 7.5 cm thick high-density insulation layer plus a food-grade aluminum interior saves energy and resists corrosion. You also get a digital control panel, pure copper wire motor, and an extra-wide cooling system for better heat dissipation and stable performance. Equipped with 360-degree swivel casters, moving it around is a breeze.
Showcasing 360 swivel caster accessories.
If you are interested in our products, follow me for more awesome products.